Hey everyone, it's Kimberly and welcome back to Home with Kimberly. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, tap the bell so you'll receive notifications so that you'll never miss another Home with Kimberly moment again. Today I'm going to show you what you will need to set up your own seed grow light box so that you can always have a head start on growing your own fresh fruits and vegetables year-round. This project is so simple and affordable to put together, and by the end of this video, I promise that you will have the knowledge and you'll be able to start growing your own seeds indoors today. Let's get started. So this is my seed grow light box. As you can see, I already have one. I made this a couple of years ago. So I'm going to start with removing the lid. Of course, you won't have any cuts or anything in yours yet, but I'm going to walk you through the process of how I set this up. After you remove the lid, your first step is going to be to cut pieces of foil to where they cover the majority of the insides of the tub down to the bottom. You want the shiny side facing out. This is where you're going to use your duct tape to tape the foil in place, and you will do that all the way around the box. The next step is to take your lid and you're going to cut out a square. You want it to be large enough to be able to fit this part of your light fixture inside here. The next cut is going to just be a straight line down, and that's going to be for this part of the clamp so that it can stick through. And then the final cut will be straight across for the actual clamp itself to stick into. Pretty simple. You could use a box cutter, which clearly I did not use in this project, or a knife. Probably even scissors would work out just fine. After you've made all of these cuts, you can attach your clamp onto your box. This is how it will look. So now this is what the clamp looks like once it's in place on the lid. This is going to be the bottom of the lid where your grow light will stick out, and if I flip this over, you can see how I have it clamped on here and how it fits through the cuts that we made. This can be adjusted. You can pull this down further to have it closer to your plants as you're growing them. When you first start out your seedlings, you want the light to be as close as possible once they have sprouted. That way they will not become leggy, which is where the stalk or the stem grows up really tall and weak because they're reaching towards that light. So if you keep it close to your plants, you will avoid that problem and you'll create nice healthy plants. And this is what your grow light box will look like once you have it turned on. I have it plugged into the wall, and as you can see, the light is on. And this can be adjusted. You can push this down closer to your... Now that our grow box is set up, here comes the easy part. You can use whatever containers you would like to start your seedlings in. As you can see, I just use little styrofoam cups. Into the little cup, this is my seed starter dirt. It's very fine, very aerated, and I'm gonna moisten this up a little bit, and once I moisten it, it'll be time to plant a seed in here. Once your seeds have been planted, you can stick them down in your box and close the lid. As soon as they poke through the soil, you want to make sure you have the light turned on. Just plug it into the wall, and this is where the extension cord could come in if you need an extra space, or you can move it, you can put it wherever you want in your home. plug it in, make sure the light is down close to the plant, very close, like an inch and a half, 2 inches away. And then make sure you keep your lid on. Keep the plants moist. Now that you have your grow box set up, the seedlings typically like at least 16 to 18 hours of light a day, with about 6 to 8 hours of rest. I have personally had great success using this grow box the last couple of years, and I think you will too. Please comment below, let me know what kind of grow box you have in place or grow system. I would love to hear. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.